Day. Happy Earth Day.
And love and hugs and butterflies.
Look, Evelyn. Look out. They're going to be here. Look.
All right, welcome everybody. We're going to do a little quick talk about butterflies and their life cycle. And I'm
Right. Dr. Malone is here today. Thank you so much for helping sponsor Earth Day. We appreciate you from the Extension Office. Thank you. You got something you want to say? So, Mr. Hayes gave us the property. His family has given us the property. So let's give him a round of applause for this wonderful gift to the city of Huntsville. Operation and go way over there so everybody can get a chance.
Here it
and
comes,
we'll
Evelyn.
go kind of over here, and then everybody will get to see these butterflies. Don't forget about the eagle that's coming at 11:45, right, Miss Denise?
Look, Evelyn, I got in a green
eagle
shirt.
will be here from 11:45 to 1:30. Don't it?
They'll go fly. He's sitting on the ground. Can you see, Evelyn? Are they going out? Oh, there's something going up there. There's one.
oh, there's one. She saw it.
Can you see it all of him doing?
No.
There they go. Here's some more. Look, Evelyn, there's another one right there. Let's see the one on Mama's head. Look at it. Look how pretty it is. Can you see it, Evelyn?
Let's go back to there.
It's too cold.
It's still on
Yeah.
I know.